ladies and gentlemen, moving forward to a future of prosperity and innovation, we now welcome the tableau of the Office of the District Agriculture and District Horticulture. Today we bring out the theme of farm mechanization, the engine driving modern agriculture in Meghalaya. As we look upon this display, we see the transition from traditional labor to the power of modern
applause. Our next display of tableau this morning and line item number 4 is from the Report Soil and Water Conservation Division Nongpong under the theme Implementation of Spring Conservation Viability. To address this challenge, the government of Meghalaya, through the Soil and Water Conservation Department, has undertaken the conservation and rejuvenation of critical water sources in Report District identified by the Public Health Engineering Department through the water supply schemes. The initiative focuses on restoring ecologically degraded springs and streams that serve as the vital sources. An integrated catchment-based approach has been adopted with interventions including newer rocky method of plantation, under dredging and strategic dams, carbon protection walls, spring tap chamber and fencing of critical structures. These measures are expected to enhance groundwater recharge, reduce runoff and sediment sedimentation, stabilize stream flow and protect water quality. The project emphasizes in community participation, climate resilience and long-term sustainability. The initiative reflects India's commitment to environmental stewardship and equitable resource management, aligning with the spirit of national development and unity.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome the fifth tableau from the Election Department of the Deputy Commissioner. Through these visuals, we celebrate the power of the ballot and the importance of active participation in the electoral process.
The tableau this morning. Beyond infrastructure, it is about community ownership, ensuring that every rural household has safe, adequate, and sustainable tap water.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome the final tableau by the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, bringing us a message of critical public health importance. Rabies is 100% fatal, but 100% preventable. As this tableau makes its way, it highlights the global mission to achieve zero human deaths from dog-mediated rabies by 2030. Through powerful visuals, the department showcases the One Health approach, a collaboration between the district administration, health department, and our local communities. From mass anti-rabies vaccinations and animal birth control to the promotion of responsible pet ownership, the message is clear. Timely post